Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based team kita Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang fast talk ng ating pambansang Ginoo. For today's video, David Lucauco. So, I won't take any longer, let's all watch this. Go! Kung gusto mo yan, go! Ay, love your outfit, ha?
Maraming salamat, David.
I love your outfit, ha?
I'm happy.
That's good.
How are you?
I'm happy. I'm happy too.
Ay.
Why do you say you're happy?
It's on the mindset.
It's on the
The way I
mindset.
see things now, I always try to see the good in everything. Like for example, before, kapag ako'y busy, kapag marami akong ginagawa, I tend to magreklamo ako. I will complain about,
Napakakalmado naman yung ginawa
I'm
natin.
tired, I want to rest, diba? But now, the way I see things, I think it's more of like,
Pero, fascinating and intriguing, itong pelikulang ginagawa, itong pelikula ninyo.
Gwapo? Gwapo ni Ginoo. Okay.
Ano mga kasalanan? The first time it was offered to you, na you were going to play a decano, a deacon,
yeah.
in a film called Samahan ng Mga Kasalanan, ano yung reaction na una?
I asked myself if kaya ko ba to? Kasi syempre, first time kong maging priest, obviously. I mean, yun naman yung beauty ng trabaho natin, di ba?
Ano ba yung Samahan ng Mga Kasalanan? Is this an organization in Santo Cristo? Anong ito?
So, I come from dun sa...
Baka ma-spoil niya.
I was assigned to go to the city na may mga makasalanan. So, from mga nagnanakaw to like mga nagpo-prostitute, mga nagsusugal, di ba? And then, I had to go there to share the gospel of God and hopefully mabago ko sila. Kumbaga, mapakita ko sa kanila na, pwede pa pala kayong magbago, na hindi ito yung end of the world para sa inyo. And tinulungan ko silang maghanap ng mga iba-ibang trabaho.
Sa totoong buhay.
Siya inanapan niya ng trabaho.
Ano yun?
Ay, ano ang kasalanan? Ano? Nalilate si Barbie pa din.
Siguro.
Si Barbie pa din.
Pero now kasi,
Connected pa din kay Barbie, guys.
I'm very much self-aware.
Connected pa din kay Barbie. Talaga ba?
Hindi na ako ganun ka-reckless. Parang I always have to think twice kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin. Para instead of like living mindlessly, I try my best to think muna bago ko to gawin. So I would say na di na ako as makasalanan siguro as when I was younger.
Paano ba ang teaching? Paano ba ang expression ng
Hindi
isang
konsam.
makasalanan? How would you do it?
Siguro pag makasalanan ka, nag-overthink ka eh. Diba? Na ano kaya, baka mahuli ako. So siguro parang may tinitingin kang ganun.
Cute. Guwapo niya talaga.
Mag-stutter ka.
Cute niya talaga.
Baka ganun.
Gusto ko yung point na nag-overthink ka kasi ayaw mo magkamali.
Yeah.
And in the process nagkakamali ka kasi you overthink.
Yeah.
Yung nag-aakit.
Ay, patingin.
Iba yun.
Patingin, mang-akit ka. Go, patingin ako nang nang-aakit ka for today's video. Huwag ka nang mahiya, Ginoo.
Tingin ka ng ganun.
Ay, akit na akit ako, Ginoo. Jeez. Akit na akit ako, Ginoo.
I'm so awkward when it comes to these things. I'm so awkward.
No.
Yeah.
Gusto din ni Tito Boy. No daw.
Being an actor.
Gusto din ni Tito Boy. No daw eh.
Naging bisita namin dito si Sanya. Sanya Lopez po.
Sanya Lopez. Okay, wait lang. Ano nangyari?
Kulang ka eh. Nung isang linggo naging bisita namin dito si Sanya. Sanya Lopez po plays Mila. Siya po ang, kung tama ho ako, ang kanyang titulo dito sa pelikula ay parang Kabit ng Bayan.
Yeah.
Kabit ng Bayan.
Kasi may kwento ho dito kung bakit siya tinawag na ganito. At syempre,
Kabit ng
may
Bayan, grabe. Ang lala.
kanyang sariling pagbabago. Pero ang napag-usapan namin ni Sanya, it was interesting kasi hindi niya naisip, correct me if I'm wrong ha, RD, parang hindi niya naisip na talaga ang rabid Barda fans.
Oo naman.
You know, and there are even people who, not of course the Barda fans, but who call her love team Slayer.
Love Team Slayer.
Did you talk about it? Or did you and Barbie, for example, talk about it? Na napaka-solid talaga ng Barda fans. No?
Well, the great thing about Sanya, hindi niya, parang medyo wala siyang pakialam.
Love Team Slayer. Grabe.
He knows na, okay, this is part of the job. I am partnered up with a person who has a love team. Then it's okay. I mean, feelings nila yun. Diba? Yun yung maganda kay Sanya, na parang hindi naman siya affected talaga. I actually asked her if, parang, how do you feel about it?
Pinag-uusapan pala nila. Ayan.
Tapos sabi ko,
Nakakahiya.
I said sorry. Sabi ko, sorry.
Oh. Imagine, nagsasorry si David sa mga toxic na mga
Because of me, dahil
mahihinang nilalang.
and she was really cool about it. And
Nakakahiya, no?
Pero ang ganito, kasi napapag-usapan.
yeah,
You have to talk about this.
yeah,
What about you?
Oh my God, nakakahiya.
about
You doing, for example, a film like this, and then the fans participating are as engaged as they are always when you do
Yeah.
projects together. You didn't talk about this.
we did talk about it.
Ay, we did?
I remember we were shooting Pulang Araw,
Oh, ayan ah.
and we had a scene together. And that was the day na...
Kayo ni Barbie?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that was the day na I accepted the role. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, paano ako kaya sasabihin kay Barbie na, uy, meron nga pala akong movie tapos hindi ka kasama. Di ba?
Oo, true.
Barbie,
Courtesy na lang.
wala kami movie ni isa niya. Yun lang. And
Happy
I
siya.
was like, oh, wow.
Ah.
That's nice. So proud of you. Ganon. Like,
Mm-mm.
she's super supportive when it comes to these things. Because, of course, as actors,
Support. Oh, di ba? Sinuportahan na ni Barbie, tapos tayo mga barda. Hindi niyo susuportahan si David.
Barbie is super supportive about it.
Not
Ay!
doon, merong mga conversations na gano'n. May
Yeah.
pagiging pagkaibigan. There's a friendship that allows you to actually talk about these things.
Yeah, it's all about communication.
Correct.
Diba?
Holy Wednesday ngayon,
Mm-mm.
and then you're doing a film titled Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo daanan ang mga salita katulad ng tukso, temptation.
Ang gwapo ni David, nakakainis.
Temptations.
Yeah.
But for me,
Parang seryoso siya dyan.
stay away from it.
There are aggressive women who would, ika nga, make the moves.
Yeah, meron, definitely.
Paano yun?
Syempre kung may ka-relationship ka,
Ay, so kung wala, go?
di ba? Like,
So kung wala, go? Tapos,
tempt, no?
hoy!
Sorry, I'm taken. Something like that.
Magtira ka naman para sa asawa mo.
Never cheated, to be honest.
Pero
Ah,
depende
never
rin sa
cheated.
state ng relasyon.
Mm.
Because that's also depriving yourself from getting to know other people.
Oh my God, si Tito Boy, mga question ni Tito
Potential
Boy.
friends. You know, you're missing out on, for example, nakilala mo ito, not as a potential girlfriend,
Yeah.
kahit medyo,
Friends lang, yeah.
di ba, may pagka-aggressive, pero you
Ang mga question ni Tito Boy.
to be good friends. It's really a balance, no?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you would know naman the intention eh. From the
Yeah, mararamdaman mo
You're
din
very
naman.
sensitive now to not just your own feelings, but, you know, karelasyon or
Love
ibang
team.
tao. Let's go
Charis.
fast talk.
Ay! Ito na. Oh my God!
David,
Yeah.
makasalanan, mayaman.
Mayaman. Oops!
Manunukso, magpapatukso.
Manunukso.
Manunukso.
Mamahalin.
Mamahalin.
Kasi baby siya.
Medyo bastos.
Medyo bastos. Ay, hindi nga. Maharot. Maharot.
Malambot, matigas.
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 Ha?
Matamis.
Kulang sa kain o kulang sa tulog?
Kulang sa kain.
Sa kain.
Yakap, halik.
Halik. Ay, yes.
Binibaby mo, binibaby ka.
Binibaby ako.
Baby ako.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Love so na buhay ko.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Top of mind would be Iris. Just love the song.
Ay, ay.
Sign that you are in love.
Sign that you're in love.
Papatinig sa IG.
When you're just happy.
Goofing around
I guess.
sa Instagram.
Bahagi ng katawan
Please,
na gusto mong minamasahe.
Chest. Chest.
Ulo.
Ay,
Bahagi ng
ulo.
katawan na gusto mong hinahawakan.
Chest.
Hagi ng katawan na gusto mo nakakatawa. Kamay.
Pinakapogi ka kapag
Bagong gising.
Kapag ako ay
Kompleto sa tulog.
nakikita nakikipag-date.
Ay,
Nakamabait
nakikipag-date.
ka kapag
Tulog.
Kapag nagawa ko lahat ng kailangan kong gawin,
kinikilig ka kapag
Kapag.
nakikita mo yung type mo.
Ay,
galante ka kapag
mahal ko. Ay, sa babae.
kuripot ka kapag
Sa babae. Sa kaibigan.
oo, hindi, depende. Umami ng kasalanan.
Oo.
Oo, hindi depende. Isumbong ang may kasalanan.
Oo.
Oo, hindi depende. Maghubot-hubad sa pelikula.
Hindi.
Hindi,
Oo,
hindi.
hindi depende. Magka-girlfriend this year.
Depende.
Ay,
Oo, hindi depende. Manligaw kay Barbie.
ay.
Depende.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights on.
Happiness or
Depende
chocolate?
daw.
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Anytime.
Gagawa ka
Daytime.
ng isang samahan. Ano ito?
Samahan ng mga DLSU. Love siya.
We started this interview.
Yeah.
I asked you, how are you? At sabi mo, happy.
Yeah, happy.
Sa fast talk, tinanong kita kung ano ang senyales kung in love ka.
Oo.
Sabi mo, pag-happiness, pag-happy ka. So ang tanong, yes or no, are you in a relationship? Are you in love right now? Ang sasagutan.
Oh my God.
Babalik po.
Gano'n ba yun? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Okay. Let's go
Ayun na,
to
ayun na.
happy,
Motivation.
happiness. Diba? You said you're happy, and then ang sign pag in love ka is that if there's happiness around you, you're happy. So are you in love?
Ay.
In love with my job.
Showbiz.
In love with life,
Showbiz.
ganun. Parang I think mas accepted ko na lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. Sort of. And syempre naging single ako since September, so I've been really working on myself. Been all for self-improvement every day. I try my best. So yeah, I'm generally happy and mas nakita ko yung mga, mas appreciate ko lahat ng bagay.
7 months single, going 8.
Oh, tagal na pala.
Tagal na pala.
Tagal na pala,
Is this one of the longest times na single ka?
I think so.
Ito.
Yeah.
7 months lang. Hindi pala siya nababakante.
I have been enjoying it.
No, hindi mo nga napansin eh. So,
Yeah.
must have been enjoying it.
Kasi I'm really focused on, self-improvement. Kasi feeling ko marami akong insecurities.
Ano nangyari? Wait.
Self-improvement. Kasi feeling ko marami akong insecurities, and one of those would be communication skills before.
Kasi introvert siya.
Yeah, lately, I feel it, and I'm really proud of myself. Because I've been working really hard for it. Like, every day, I would really watch podcasts, and then lalagay ko siya sa notes, babasahin ko every day.
Kanina sa fast talk, tinanong kita tungkol sa
Ayan.
the possibility. Oo, hindi, depende. Kung maging girlfriend mo si Barbie.
Ayan, ayan na, ayan. Ayan.
I mean, who knows, di ba?
Who knows? Just say it.
Whatever happens,
Talaga ba?
happens. If it happens, it happens. Diba? But at this point, like,
It
not
just
really-
said.
I'm just going with the flow.
Louis the Flow. Tama nga naman. Ingat na ingat.
Really close.
Ingat na ingat.
Constantly
Ingat na
talking
ingat
to each
sa
other.
sabihin.
You check on each other as friends.
Yeah,
Ano yung
yeah.
closeness? Describe that.
Sobrang ingat na ingat siya sa sabihin niya.
Kakamustahan kami via text, ganyan. Kakamusta lang, ganun. Parang, what's happening na? Kamusta siya? Kamusta yung movie na ginagawa niya? Yun na naman, it's more of that, like, good luck.
Eh, bakit naman ingat na
Whenever
ingat?
we're together, like, shooting mga commercials. Lately, kasi wala naman kaming teleserye dito, so it's more of the endorsements that we're doing. Yeah,
Oh,
we talk about
cutie. Oh,
everything.
And nothing.
Yeah, and nothing. Just,
everything and nothing.
Nagpahiwatig ka that you were single almost during the time when they announced that they had broken up. I'm talking about Barbie and Jack. And inevitably, hindi na iwasan na si David kaya ang cause ng paghihiwalay ni Jack at saka ni Barbie. You're aware of this, no?
yeah, definitely.
Did you and Barbie talk about it? And what is your stand? I mean, what do you want to say about it?
Well, one thing's for sure, directly, I did not do, not part of their breakup.
You're not part of that story.
Yeah, like, before Barbie and I never really text. Especially nung sila. Of course, now, paminsan, kakamustahan lang kayo, di ba? Pero before, we never texted talaga. Swear to God. So, pretty much, hindi talaga ako parte nun.
No, the point is, ang sinasabi mo, correct me if I'm wrong,
Yeah.
wala kang kinalaman,
Ano akong kinalaman?
wala kang kinalaman sa paghihiwalay, I mean, sadly, ni Barbie at saka ni Jack.
Wala siyang
Looking forward
nalaman
to
na.
your next relationship.
I'm not rushing into it.
You're not rushing.
I'm not rushing.
Cute.
You know, di ba?
Cutie niya talaga.
I mean, do you have that excitement sometimes?
Ay,
You miss it.
You do, di ba?
Yeah, I do miss it. Siyempre, gusto mo
na. May nagbe-baby.
ka, or like, sabihan mo ng problema mo,
May kausap.
may kausap ka on a daily basis. So,
How old are you now?
30.
30.
Do you have that thing that by this age, I should get married?
I used to have that.
Ano yung
Oo nga.
sinasabi mo?
Pero nabago yun, di ba?
Gusto ko 34, 33.
Have you changed your mind?
Yeah, I think now it's more of like, go with the flow na lang talaga. But then, of course,
It can happen earlier.
yeah, I mean, whatever happens, happens. But then, sometimes, may isip mo rin na, gusto mo rin na, kunwari yung mga anak mo,
Kakalaro mo pa.
na gusto mong makapag-basketball pa with them, o kung ano mo yung sports nila, di ba? I mean, syempre, sumasagi pa rin sa utak mo. But then, what can I do? Di ba? If wala, wala. If meron, diba?
But if you have your way, sabi mo nga, ride the tide.
Yeah,
If it,
definitely.
this year, next year, you're ready to get married.
Hala.
I mean, ready meaning, yun nga, yung pinag-uusapan natin.
Nakakaloka.
Financially,
Grabe si
emotionally,
Grabe si Tito Boy.
You
Naluluka
you
ako.
are ready for marriage.
Emotionally, I think I'm ready. Financially, I think I'm ready. Physically, I think I'm
Hala.
ready. Career-wise, I'm not yet ready.
Aren't ready.
I'm not yet ready.
Oh, but
Career-wise.
that's 3 to 1.
Yeah, but I mean, one thing is to be ready and one thing is to be really
Career talaga.
actually doing it.
Oo, pero patuloy nga lang sayo mo, David. Kung ano ang mangyayari, mangyayari.
Yeah.
Pero
True.
unahin muna natin po ang samahan ng mga makasalanan. Imbitahan mo ang lahat. para
Pero for me, parang,
makinig
ano siya
at
dito?
samahan tayo sa
Parang,
pelikulang ito.
Hello.
Hello.
Sana po ay panoorin niyo ang Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan this coming April 19. I'm pretty sure na
Kailan kaya ito na-shoot? I have
ma-enjoy
to
niyo po
ask
ito.
this.
Isama niyo ang inyong mga pamilya.
Kailan to na-shoot?
Kaibigan.
Kasi for sure, pinaka-late yung kay Nelson Canlas. Kasi
siguro
balita yun sa kanila, so always
Ay,
latest
mahal
yun.
sinihan. Pero sa totoo lang, mas maganda po manood sa sinihan para po maramdaman natin yung total experience ng pagpupunta sa sinihan at manood ng pelikula doon. Iba yun eh, diba? May kayakap kang ganyan. Cute ni ni David, oh.
Hindi kasi yung David.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, but
Pero feeling ko mas latest yung kay Nelson Canlas. Kasi yun yung balita yun, current events kasi yun eh.
Modelo sa'yo, pero
Parang yan yung suot ko, ah.
oo nga eh. Ito yung pinasuot sa'yo. Maraming salamat, David.
Thank you.
Maraming.
Ito pa siya. Alright.
God bless
There you go guys. There you go guys. This is our for today's video. The Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Yeah, with David Licao po. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.